Greetings. Today we're going to make a simple kite shield. I'll show you what it looks like real quick. It'll look like this. Alright, so first we do new, delete everything because that's what everybody does in every tutorial ever. Now we're going to make a cube for reference. This is a height reference, scaling reference, alright. And then we go back here, add a cube, GZ1 brings it to the top, and then tab, and then what I'm going to do is add a loop cut, and then we're basically going to mirror it. If you've never done that, this is how it's done. You hit X to bring up delete button, delete by vertices, then go in here to this area, the little modifier, and add mirror modifier. Okay, now we need to scale it along the y-axis. So SY, bring it in all the way to there. There you go. And then now we're going to just move it. Oh, make sure clipping's on, which is over here in your modifier. Move it up, down, and then I like to bring this. Oh, that's a little too far. Right about there. And you can modify your topology any way you want. There's no wrong way to go about doing this. Alright, we're going to move this G to move, Y along the y-axis. That looks pretty good. And you know what? I don't like how it's scaled along Y, so I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. I'll scale it even more. That's fine. Alright. It's got a good taper. Next, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and bring this down to there because I don't like how it looked. Alright, and then we go here. Clicky, clicky. We're going to do an inset. Hit the B so it brings it along that edge. And then I want to do inset one more time. Then turn off toggle X-ray. Make sure you're on 3, which is face select. Clicky, shift click. E to extrude, and we're going to extrude along the y-axis. It's right there. Good. Now, I know what you're saying. Texturing this is going to be a pain in the butt. So we're going to click here, 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 here. Actually, we need this. We're going to select all the edge along it, and like this. We're going to hit P to separate along selection. Now when we hit tab, we have two separate objects. We can move them freely. Okay. Control A, and we're going to let's see, hide this collection. Alright. We're going to add Subdivision Modifier. Which it didn't apply. Oh well. I messed up. I'll do this. And this. And this is how our shield looks. We can go in here and we can modify it some more. If we want it to curve back more or forward more, however we want. But I think this is good for now. Now I have Blenderkit add-on. Blenderkit, so you need to log in with your email. We go in here to materials, and I want to give it a wooden rim. So we're going to type in wood. And I want something that's fairly small on file size. A lot of them are really big. Oh, 4K, that's easy. That's rotten wood. Here we go. And we'll go into shader mode. Well, what is this one? viewport shading, yeah. Procedural would. And then we want an iron shield, and we'll use iron touched. I've used it before. It's not very big, 126 kilobytes. And there you have it. If you want to make a handle, that's easy. We go back to regular shading mode, click in the center. Let's see. Control 1 to go onto the back side, click center right, shift click. I'll do Shift A, insert cylinder, turn off X-ray. We'll rotate it along the Y-axis 90 degrees, scale it all the way down except in the X-axis, and I'll keep scaling. Bring it back along the Y, and then scale along X. And we have something like that. Bring it back along Y. You can use a subdivision modifier if you want. I'm not going to. I'm just going to look up what kind of handle do we want. We'll use this cast iron. No, too big. Iron brushed. It'll make it look like it's been used. Now if your topology is messed up, you come in here, hit tab. Actually, we need to apply our modifier of mirror. This one, and this one, and then A to select all, Smart UV unwrap, Smart UV. It didn't do much to the image. And there you have it. If you want to save it, Control S. We'll call this Shield, Kite Shield, Iron. Alright, take care.